Hi, I'm Tim Quast, founder and CEO of Market Structure Edge, and we've covered a lot of ground here at Edge, helping you learn how to trade better using the rules of the market. And there's a big concept yet to know about how to execute your trades. Trades for 100 or fewer shares under SEC rules that are marketable, that is, they're market orders, have to be executed. It's the law. So if you put in a trade for 100 shares and you don't specify a price, you're going to get the best price that is offered. I often trade in 99 share increments because I know that my trade for 99 shares at the market's price will get filled. Oftentimes you might put in a limit order and it never fills. The price never comes to you. Well, what good is that to you? Now, there are times to use limit orders. Let's use an example to illustrate this. So suppose that you're looking at a stock that has a bid to buy of $20.10 and an offer to sell of $20.50, 40-cent spread between them. That's the time to use a limit order, but a marketable one. You want to position it between 2010 and 2050 because that's the gap. So let's say we put in a bid to buy of 2035, and instead of 100 shares, we make it 50. We reduce the risk for the other side, and there's a very high likelihood that that trade will fill instantly. And you could do it again and again if you want to build a position. If the spread between the bid to buy and offer to sell is a penny, let's say 2049 and 2050, we'll just put in a market order. Your risk is 1 penny. It doesn't make any difference. 99 shares at the market, that trade's going to instantly fill. But that is the difference between market orders and limit orders and how to use the rules of the market to your advantage. That's exactly what algorithms do.